Okay, let's start numerical 3.6 of section 3.2 rockets. So you can see in this numerical that in the early stage of Saturn with velocity V rockets launch. So mass with 15,000 kg and the speed with 25,000 meters per second, which is relative to the rocket. So we have to find the thrust on the rocket and convert this into tons and compare the initial weight, which is 3,000 tons. So first we have to let the thrust formula, which is the rate of change of mass with velocity. Okay, so here you can see that after putting the values of mass and velocity, exhaust velocity, then we will get the thrust. Okay, thrust is actually a force. Okay, so now we have to convert thrust into tons. After converting, this is the thrust value and this is the given 1 ton value, which is 9,000 newton. Now you have to put the values. After arranging it, you will get these thrust in tons. Okay, so but you can see after in comparison the thrust is greater than rocket initial weight, which is 3,000 tons. Okay, but you can see what we get, that these mean that the rocket thrust is more than enough to overcome its weight and start lifting off. Okay, so means that thrust is more than the initial weight, indicating a successful lift off. So this is all about from my side. Thank you.